Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Misha Aziza and now I want to tell you an animal storytelling with the title A Cat and a Fox. Hope you enjoy it. One day, a cat and a fox were discussing about a house. A cat said, I will have house. You are a nasty animals. Hunt and kill us. Yes, if you know, I had house more than you. Repeat Fox angrily. Then they had discussion about sand. Trick. Fox, did you have a trick to sell yourself Fox house? A trick? I have a lot of tricks. Trick? How to get away from the house? The cat asked the fox. Wow, what's your trick? That's very easy. I can hide within a trick fast. I can run away and I can hide within a burrow. That you, what's your trick? How many tricks do you have? Asked Fox to cat. I just have your one trick. Answer cat calmly. What? You just have one trick? Ha 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 ha. Who are you? How can you just have a one trick? What's your trick? But before can answer any question, suddenly I had a parrot beside them. Oh, I show you want my trick because the heart is climbing. Bye bye. Then cat ran up and climbed to tree beside her. But friends, do you know what the fox doing? A fox tried his trick, but his trick is spoiled. So a herd cat beat him easy. Fortunately, a cat can save her as herself. A cat said to herself poorly. Ha 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 ha, my one trick is better than all his tricks. So friend, what is your moral value of the storytelling? The moral value is we must have a knowledge. From this story, we all know that how can climb. So, cat try the trick to climb on the tree. Friends, this is the end of the storytelling. I'm sorry if I have a bad profession. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye and see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.